there, welcome to Indianistic channel. In this video, let's take a look at the top 10 most visited beaches in the world in terms of number of pictures posted on Instagram in a year approximately, using those hashtags. The statistics pulled in this video have been grabbed from Travel Supermarket, TripAdvisor and Flight Network. While Flight Network has released world's 50 best beaches, this list considers only the popularity of these beaches based on Instagram stats. Let's check them out. At number 10, it's Playa Paraíso on the Mexico coastline. The 7th best beach in the world is ranked 4.5 on TripAdvisor and is really famous for its water sports. It lies right on the doorstep of Caribbean Sea with over 60,000 pictures being posted on Instagram annually. Its white sands and aqua blue waters make it the hot spot for sun seekers, and the best time to visit is somewhere between June and November. Flight Network has ranked its sand and water quality a perfect 10 on 10. Now, number 9. At 9, we have the 45th best beach in the world, Ao Nang Beach from Thailand. Though rated about 3.5 on TripAdvisor, this beach has a sunset view that is breathtakingly mesmerizing. It sits right on the Indian Ocean and about 61,000 plus pictures are posted annually on Instagram. The best time to visit is somewhere between November and March. And this beach scored almost perfect 9 on 10 for its sheer untouched beauty. Next up, number 8. At 8 is the 4th best beach in the world and the world's favorite, Pink Sands Beach from Bahamas. This beach has been rated a perfect 5 on 5 on TripAdvisor and is best known for its pink sand with pink shells. It lies on the Atlantic Ocean and 71,000 plus pictures are posted on Instagram annually. Its pink sands and mellow waters take the beach to another level. The best time to visit is somewhere between December and May, and this beach has scored a perfect 10 on 10 for its sand and water quality. Fun fact, the remarkable color of the sand on this beach comes from tiny pink and red coral insects. Its beautiful coastal spot with amazing rose hue attracts visitors from all over the world. Moving up, at 7 is the only beach on this list which hasn't been featured as one of the world's 50 best beaches by Flight Network, Bournemouth Beach from United Kingdom. This beach is rated 4.5 on TripAdvisor and is very famous for its 7-mile long shore. About 72,000 plus pictures are posted on Instagram annually. It's really famous for its golden sands and warm waters that are consistent throughout the months. The best time to visit is somewhere between March and May. This beach is the best beach in the United Kingdom and lies on the English Channel, which connects the North Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. So, are you enjoying this video? If yes, could you please subscribe to my channel? Just carefully exit this full screen and hit the subscribe button in red. That would help me greatly in bringing you more of this interesting and fun videos. Now get back to full screen and let's resume. Next up, at number 6 is the home to the Africa's penguin colony, Boulders Beach at South Africa. Rated about 4.5 on TripAdvisor, this beach is very special for its penguin colony. This sits right on the doorstep of Indian Ocean and about 72,000 plus pictures are posted online annually. Its soft white sands and deepest blue waters make it a perfect hot spot. The best time to visit is somewhere between October and March, and this beach scores a perfect 10 on 10 for its sand and water quality. This beach is also the most photographed beach which never includes people. Time for top 5. At 5 is a beach which was declared by UNESCO as one of the world's best beaches and 20th best beach by Flight Network. Bavaro Beach from Dominican Republic is rated 4.5 on TripAdvisor and is very famous for its velvety smooth sand. It lies on the Atlantic Ocean with about 82,000 pictures being posted on Instagram annually. Its snow white sands and crystal clear turquoise waters make it ultra special. The best time to visit is somewhere between March and May. Its sheer untouched beauty is scored about 8 on 10 on Flight Network. Many resorts are a big reason why this beach is heavily photographed. At 4 is the beach which attracts tourists as well as pink flamingo colonies from all over the world alike. Cayo Coco Beach from Cuba. Rated about 4.5 on TripAdvisor, this beach is very special for the water sports that it has to offer. It lies on the Atlantic Ocean with about 84,000 plus pictures being posted online annually. Its white sands and pastel blue waters make this beach heavenly to visit. The best time to visit is somewhere between February and March. This beach scores a perfect 10 on 10 for its sheer untouched beauty. This beach is best known for its calm and warm waters, and this beach is the best one can get when mixing up luxury with some breathtaking nature. Time for top 3. At 3 is a beach which is literally named after Heavenly Sea, Horseshoe Bay from Bermuda. This beach is rated about 4.5 on TripAdvisor and is very famous for its rocky and jagged terrains. This lies on the Atlantic Ocean with about 90,000 plus pictures being clicked and posted online annually. Its pink sands, crystal blue waters make it a very scenic experience for its tourists. The best time to visit is between March and May or September to December. This beach again scores a perfect 10 on 10 for its sand and water quality. It's a perfect hotspot for sunbathers and swimmers. The second most photographed on Instagram beach is the Lanikai Beach from Hawaii. This beach is rated about 4.5 on TripAdvisor and is very famous for the water sports that it has to offer for its tourists. It lies on the Pacific Ocean and over 117,000 pictures are posted online annually. This beach has soft white sands and crystal blue calm waters, making it the perfect hotspot for swimmers. Best time to visit is somewhere between Jan and May, and this beach also scores a perfect 10 on 10 for its sheer untouched beauty. While Horseshoe Bay was translated from Heavenly Sea, Lanikai is translated from Heavenly Ocean, rightly so. Before we look at number 1, let's take a quick look at some special mentions. Dreamland Beach from Bali, Eagle Beach from Aruba, Varadero Beach from Cuba, and next is the world's best beach according to Flight Network, Grace Bay Beach from Turks and Caicos. Finally, the world's most Instagram beach also happens to be the best beach in the world in many lists. Whitehaven Beach from Australia scores a perfect 5 on 5 on TripAdvisor and is very popular for its 98% silica sand. It's on the Coral Sea with about 130,000 plus pictures being clicked and posted online annually. Its crystal white silica sands and warm clear waters make it the best beach in the world. The best time to visit is April, May, October or November. This beach scores a perfect 10 on 10 for its sand and water quality, its remoteness and its sheer untouched beauty. Instagrammers don't seem to get over the pristine white sand surrounded by dreamy azure blue water that Whitehaven has to offer. Which beach was your favorite and which one did you think missed a spot on this list? Please do comment and let me know. Also, please do subscribe to this channel by clicking on that circle on the screen so that I can make many more of these videos. Indian Aesthetics signing off.